YouTube channel Kids Fun Magic World. Friends, today's topic is essay on Viksit Chhattisgarh, fulfilling dream for a prosperous Chhattisgarh. Introduction. Chhattisgarh, nestled in the heart of India, is a state with a rich cultural heritage and abundant natural resources. Over the years, it has made significant strides in various sectors, aiming to transform into a prosperous region where dream can flourish. This essay explores the journey of Chhattisgarh towards development and its vision for the future. Natural resource, the foundation of growth. Chhattisgarh is blessed with abundant mineral resources including coal, iron ore and limestone, which have been pivotal in driving its industrial growth. The state's strategic location and natural reserves make it a key player in India's industrial landscape, attracting investments and fostering economic development, industrial growth and infrastructure development. In recent decades, Chhattisgarh has witnessed remarkable industrial growth, particularly in sectors like steel, cement, and power. The establishment of Bhilai Steel Plant, one of India's largest steel plant, marked a significant milestone in the state's industrial journey. Additionally, robust infrastructure development, including highways, railway, and power transmission networks, has further bolstered its economic potential. Agriculture and rural development. While industrialization has been a cornerstone of Chhattisgarh progress, the state remains committed to enhancing its agricultural productivity and rural development. Initiative promoting sustainable farming practices, irrigation facilities, and market linkages have empowered farmers and improved agriculture output. The government's focus on rural infrastructure and welfare scheme has also contributed to uplifting rural communities, education, and human resource development. Investing in education and skill development is crucial for fostering a knowledgeable and skilled workforce. Chhattisgarh has made significant strides in improving its education system, expanding access to quality education from primary to higher levels. Initiatives such as vocational training programs and skill development centers aim to equip youth with the necessary skills to thrive in the evolving job market. Healthcare and social welfare. Ensuring access to healthcare services and promoting social welfare are integral to inclusive development. Chhattisgarh has made considerable efforts to strengthen its healthcare infrastructure, particularly in rural areas, through the establishment of hospitals, healthcare centers, and telemedicine facilities. Social welfare schemes targeted at marginalized communities have also played a pivotal role in fostering social equity and inclusivity. Environmental sustainability. Amidst its developmental journey, Chhattisgarh remains committed to environmental sustainability. Efforts to balance industrial growth with environmental conservation include afforestation programs, renewable energy projects, and pollution control measures. The state's rich biodiversity and natural landscape are preserved through conservation initiatives and sustainable practices. Challenges and future prospect. Despite its achievement, Chhattisgarh faces challenges such as poverty, unemployment, and regional disparities. Addressing these challenges requires continued investment in infrastructure, education, healthcare, and social welfare. The state's vision for the future involves leveraging its strengths, embracing innovation, and fostering inclusive growth to create a prosperous and sustainable Chhattisgarh. In conclusion, Chhattisgarh's journey towards development exemplifies resilience, resourcefulness, and vision. From harnessing natural resources to promoting industrial growth, enhancing agricultural productivity, and investing in human development, the state has laid a strong foundation for a prosperous future. With concerted efforts and sustainable strategies, Chhattisgarh aims to fulfill the dream of its people and emerge as a beacon of progress in India's development trajectory. Thank you friends for watching my video. Friends, I hope you like my video. Friends, if you like my video, so please subscribe, share and comments. Bye friends. And friends, also this essay is available in Hindi language in our channel. you can visit our channel page and watch. Bye friends.